Hi, and welcome to the Falcons Toolkit, where we want to equip your flight to academic achievement. In this session, I will be highlighting the Degree Planner and your ability to use it to register. The Degree Planner is intended for use for students admitted in summer or fall 2025 or later. To start, you will need to log into your Cerritos single sign-on portal. Once logged on, you will see the My Cerritos tile. Once your student homepage is visible, you will see a Degree Planner 2.0 tile. Click to open. The next page is the Degree Planner Welcome page. It includes a link to the Falcons Toolkit page for the Degree Planner and Schedule Builder applications. This demonstration video assumes you have viewed the other introduction, bonus features, and planning pieces of the Degree Planner, and so that we can jump right into how to register using your Degree Planner. You will receive a notification that you have an enrollment appointment, which means that's the time and the date that you can start registering for the next term. When you get that notification, jump on your Degree Planner to view the requirements laid out to take in the next term. You should ensure that your requirements are accurate by speaking with a counselor first before registering. You will be able to register right in the Degree Planner application and not have to worry about navigating to your student center. So using this sample student's planner, I will go over the steps you will do to complete registration. Let's navigate to the requirement line for C, Fine Arts. Click Edit Course. When the window opens, you can view a listing of the classes and the sections. Once the sections window appears, you can view specific details such as meeting, days and times, instructors, and status. You can also mouse hover over the icons. Click the black Action button and it will give you the option to enroll or to add to cart, which simply means that you can hold on to it for later. Completing registration in your Degree Planner is the same as if you were doing the same actions in your Student Center, so you will receive the same notifications and warnings. Let's go ahead and enroll. So click the option to enroll. You will encounter the same options as if you were registering through your Student Center. So that first field, the grading field, is the grading basis. You'll want to click Graded for your classes unless told to otherwise. You may see a field for permission number. That is where a department or an area is restricting registration for a special population. Waitlist. If it's full, you can check that checkbox so that you can be added to the wait list if you'd like to be included for the class should spaces open. You might also see the drop class option field where you can decide if you're willing to drop another class if you're able to get into your desired class that you're enrolling for. The next step allows you to fully register for the course without any notifications. Alternately, you can add classes to your cart or register at a later time in your Student Center. And that's all you need to do. Congratulations, you've just registered for your first class using Degree Planner. This concludes the video demonstration for registering with your Degree Planner. There is an additional Degree Planner, What if you are interested in how to look at a possible major that you might be interested in and how that might work for your degree plans.